Hello everyone, welcome to the KVP Physics Academy. Today we are going to the study of the solid state physics. This is a very important subject for cracking the SET exam. Okay, because in this subject they ask a very simple question. But the problem is that कि so many student इनका study ही नहीं करते हैं. है क्या समझ में? Because MSc में बात देखेंगे तो MSc में ऐसे ही चलते चलते वो पास हो गए होते हैं. Because don't concentrated on this subject. ऐसा ना, इसलिए MSc से आपको ये स्टडी करने का मन ही नहीं करता. ओके ठीक है, वैसे सेम सिस्टम फॉरवर्ड हो जाती है. और जब आप नेट सेट कोई भी एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन करते हैं तब भी ये सॉलिड के लिए थोड़ा सा पीछे ही रखा जाता है. और कोई भी कोचिंग सेंटर में जाएंगे तो भी ये लास्ट में ही पढ़ाया जाता है. इसलिए तो इसके लिए थोड़ा सा निगलेक्ट ही होता है. ठीक है, इसलिए वो भी आपको निगलेक्ट ही कर देता है. इसलिए कोई जनरली मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट के लिए गुड मार्क्स नहीं आते. लेकिन आप थोड़ा ध्यान देके सेट का स्टडी करेंगे. अरे देखिए लास्ट 5 या 10 इयर्स के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे तो सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस दे आर रिपीटेड. ओके दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. और इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस है वो इसके थोड़ा बेसिक कर लेंगे तो वन टाइम्स दे आस्क वन क्वेश्चन सिमिलरली दे आस्क इन स्लाइटली डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन इन नेक्स्ट एग्जाम. ओके, now see here, take this see this example. This example is also asking in 3 exams. Same problem. Okay, what is this problem? What is the effective mass m star of the electron in is infinite? Where is the mass is infinite? One exam. Next exam, at the bottom where is the mass is the negative? Second times, what is the mass is a infinite? Okay, means 3 exam they ask 3 questions on same topic. Got it? Electron effective mass means an electron is interact with a lattice potential. Electron is interact with a lattice potential. How to find out the m star? M star is equal to h cross square upon dabba square e upon dabba k square. Dabba e square upon dabba k square. This is the formula for finding the m star. Okay. First one at the top, energy is directly proportional to k square. A is directly proportional to k square. Okay, energy is directly proportional to k square at the top of the band. Okay, and in this case we getting m star is equal to positive. M star is equal to how much? Positive. Energy directly proportional to k square. M star is equal to positive for top band. Second one at middle. Okay. At middle, energy is directly proportional to k. K is directly proportional to k. Then dabba square k upon dabba k square derivative is equal to how much? 0. Dabba square derivative is equal to how much? 0. Then m star is equal to h cross square upon dabba square upon dabba e square upon dabba k square is equal to how much? 0. Then h cross square upon 0 is equal to how much? Infinity. Means at the middle of the band m star is infinity. And third one at point C, at the bottom energy at bottom E is directly proportional to k square. E is also directly proportional to k square. And here m star getting negative. Got it? At the top m star positive. At the middle m star infinity. At the bottom m star negative. And sometimes they ask what is the m star for free electron. For free electron means this electron is not present inside the solid. Okay, now this will be totally free. This is not bonded with anything. At that time, for free electron, potential energy 0 means total energy is nothing but p square upon 2m. And we know that p square can be written as h cross square k square upon 2m. H cross square k square upon 2m. We can finding out this one. Then we getting m star is equal to h cross square upon m. Okay, this h cross get cancel. We getting m star is equal to m. Means m star is equal to m for free electron. Okay, जनरली आप सोचेंगे बॉटम में पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, वो नेगेटिव होता है. मिडिल में इंफिनिटी होता है और टॉप में क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव होता है. ऑलवेज मेमोराइज दिस. effective mass of electron in different cases. Suppose we consider, they ask sometimes pre-electron. Pre-electron, m star is equal to how much? M star is equal to how much? M. Okay. Next problem. 2018, a density of state conduction band for electron assumed to be essentially free in two dimension. Essentially free in two dimension is proportional to. Already we can say that the particle is free. For free electron, energy E is equal to h cross square k square upon 2m. H cross square k square upon 2m. Okay. Now here check the dimension, energy and k relation. Energy and k square. Energy directly proportional to k square. Okay. Here we consider energy is k directly proportional to k to the power s. K to the power s. Okay. And we can use the density of formula. Density G of E d is directly proportional to e to the power d upon s minus 1. Density of state G of E d is directly proportional to e to the power d by d upon s minus 1. D upon s minus 1. Okay. Here s means power of k. Here s means power of k. S means power of k. S means power of k. And d means dimension. D means dimension. D means dimension. Okay. Now here we can choose the 1D system, 2D system or 3D system. All system power will be the same. For E is equal to h cross square k square upon 2. This is the energy is the same for 1D case, 2D case and 3D case. Means E is directly proportional to k square is applicable for 1D, 2D and 3D system. 1D, 2D and 3D system. Yes or no? Means we can choose 1D. S is equal to 2. Dimension D is equal to 1. Then density of state DOS is directly proportional to e to the power d upon s minus 1. Okay. What is the dimension? 1 by 2. 1 is the dimension, 2 is the s value, minus 1. Okay. Means here DOS is directly proportional to e to the power minus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Suppose we consider the 2D system. 2D, s is equal to how much? Yes, 2. What is the value of d? Dimension. For 2D dimension, d value is equal to 2. Okay. Then DOS is directly proportional to e to the power dimension 2, s value 2 minus 1. Okay. Means DOS is directly proportional to e to the power 0. E to the power 0 means independent of e. For 3D case, s is equal to 2 and d is equal to how much? 3. D is equal to 3. Then DOS is directly proportional to e to the power dimension 3, s value 2 minus 1. Means DOES is directly proportional to e to the power 1 by 2. E to the power 1 by 2. Got it? Means in this case, here system assumed to be free and 2 dimension. DOS is directly proportional to e to the power 0. That is the independent of energy. Got it? Is independent of energy. When e to the power 1 by 2 is correct. We can take dimension is the 3. For we consider 1D, 2D or 3D. All cases k value will be same. Then substitute here. For 3 dimension, 3 upon 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Minus 1 is 0.1. 0.5 means 1 by 2. Okay. Net also we getting 5 marks for simply applying this formula. That's it. 1 by 2. Okay. This is for 3D case. This is for 3D case. This is for 2D case. And we can take the for 1D case dimension 1. S value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2. This is for 1D case, and this one is not allowed. For any case we can take the system is electron, proton, magnon, phonon, anyone. Minus 1 is not applicable. Got it? This is a very important point for both exams, set as well as net. Next problem. Which of the most following cubic structure is most loosely packed? Loosely packed means which have the more white space. Means which one have more empty space. Okay. Suppose we consider all this a simple cubic, BCC, FCC, and diamond. What is the packing fractions? Okay, packing fraction. Okay, packing fraction. Packing fraction. Okay. Suppose we consider the simple cubic. We know that how much percent? 52%. Where is the 52% is a packing fraction. Means white piece, or this case 50% means 48%. 48%. Okay. Yes or no? Means in this 48% is empty space. Okay, white space. Second, we consider the body, BCC, body center cubic. At that time, this will be 68%. 68% means white base is 32%. 32%. FCC is a 74%. Is a packing fraction. White base is a 26%. 26%. Yes or no? And we can take the diamond. Diamond have the 34%. 34% packing fraction means 66% is a white base or a empty base. Means in this case, more white base is a loosely bonded. Means in this case, which of the following is a loosely packed? Loosely packed. Means a diamond is loosely packed in this case. But here, diamond is the strongest one. Don't see like that. This one is loosely packed. Means this one is the biggest one. Diamond is the strongest one. Okay, आपको पता होगा diamond तो हम ऐसे crack नहीं कर सकते. Yes or no? This is a very strong structure. You have loosely packed, but this one is the strongest one. Next question. Sent to the August 2015, 61 number question. The energy of an electron in an energy band as a function of its wave vector k. Its function of wave vector k is given by E of k is equal to E naught minus beta cos kxa plus cos ky plus cos kza, where E naught, B and A are constant. The effective mass of electron near the bottom of the band. Okay, here is the two conditions is important. K value is very large or K value is very small. Okay, here they are given condition is that K is near to the band. Okay, see here energy band of the function of its wave vector k bar is given by this one. Okay, where E naught, B naught are constant. The effective mass of the electron near the bottom. Yes or near the bottom. Okay. Now here E of k is equal to yes. E of k is equal to yes. A naught beta cos kxa plus cos kya plus cos kza. Okay. Now here we consider k value is a very smaller one. K value is very smaller one. Okay. K value is smaller one. Then approximation. We know that sin theta approximation, theta and cos theta approximation is equal to how much? 1 minus theta square by 2. 1 minus, yes or no? Sin theta approximation, theta cos theta approximation 1 minus theta square by 2. What? This the k value is a very small. This has come near to band means k value is a smaller. Lambda is very large. K value is a smaller one. Okay. Then E of k can be written as E of k is equal to A naught minus beta cos kx square. Means here theta is nothing but kxa means minus kx square a square upon 2 plus 1 minus ky square a square upon 2 plus 1 minus kz square a square upon 2. Addition of all components. Then E of k is equal to yes A naught minus beta 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 minus a square upon 2 inside the bracket kx square plus ky square plus kz square. Okay. Now system is a spherical. Then k square. System is spherical. Then k square is nothing but kx square plus ky square plus kz square. Like that. R square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Yes or no? In spherical system, radius is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square. Similarly here, your system is a 3D. Kx square plus ky square plus kz square is nothing but this one. Okay. Then E of k become E of k is equal to E naught minus beta 3 minus k square a square upon 2. K square a square upon 2. We're getting E of k. E of k. Next, find out the dabba E upon dabba E of k upon dabba k is equal to, is constant 0. Is constant is 0. 3 beta is constant 0. Minus become plus. K square a square derivative dabba upon dabba k a square k square upon 2 is equal to how much? This is k square derivative 2k. 1k get cancel. A square k. A square k. Take the second derivative. Dabba square E of k upon dabba k square is equal to k derivative a square. A square. Okay. And how to find out the m star? We know that m star is equal to h cross square upon dabba square E upon dabba k square. We need we can find out the dabba square E of k upon dabba k square value. This is equal to how much? How much? And here beta is here. Okay, beta is the remaining one. Beta. Okay, this B also survive for both cases. Means m star can be written as h cross square dabba square E upon dabba k square is a beta a square. Beta a square. Means in this case, which option is correct? But properly see, this one is given for short wavelength or long wavelength. Net also getting 5 marks for this problem. Directly we can take the cos theta approximation is equal to 1 minus a theta square by 2. Next question. The body center shell of a crystal has 2 atoms of same kind of located at 0, 0, 0 and 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. And its crystal structure factor F in terms of atomic scattering factor F when HKL is even, then F is equal to how much? 2F 0, F is equal to 1 or F is equal to 4F. Okay, here is a 2 or 3 terms is very important. Yes means geometric structure factor. S means geometric structure factor. And what is the definition of structure factor? Amplitude of light from one unit cell. Amplitude of light from one unit cell divided by amplitude of light from one electron divided by amplitude of light from one electron. S is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to n effective summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 to n effective e to the power 2 pi I inside the bracket h xn plus ky yn plus lzn bracket complete, where NEFF means is the effective number of atoms in unit cell. NEF means effective number of atoms in unit cell. Second one, HKL are Miller indices of the plane. XYZ are the position coordinate of the atoms in unit cell. Next, capital F. Capital F is equal to crystal structure factor. Capital F is a crystal structure factor. Okay, and in crystal structure factor definition, amplitude of light from all unit cell divided by amplitude of light from one electron. Both case denominator will be same, but in structure factor for one unit cell, and here is a all unit cell. Okay, and then capital F is equal to F into S. Capital F is equal to small f into S. Okay. Now we can substitute one by one value in this case. Then we're getting structure factor, crystal structure factor, capital F. Okay. How to solve this one? Capital F is equal to S, small f into S. Small f into S. Okay. And we know that F into S is equal to structure factor is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to n effective e to the power 2 pi I e to the power 2 pi I h into xn plus k into yn plus l into zn. And what is the value of capital F? Capital F is equal to F into summation of n is equal to 1 to n effective e to the power 2 pi I h into suppose x k into y and L into Z. L into Z. Okay. Now suppose we consider the simple cubic. A problem on FCC, but we can study all three. First, suppose we can take the simple cubic structure. Okay. What is the simple cubic structure? Simple cubic structure, all atoms at the corner. All atoms at the corner means 1 by 8 into 8. 1 by 8 into 8, 1. Means here n effective is equal to how much? Only one atom. Okay, this one is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Means here coordinates for one atom. Yes or no? Coordinates means x, y, z value 0, 0, 0. Yes or no? 0, 0, 0. This one is a x, y, z value. X, y, z value is equal to how much? 0, 0, 0. There is only one effective atom. X, y, z value we getting now. Now we can find out the structure factory of power. F for simple cubic. F is equal to summation n is equal to 1. There is only one effective atom. E to the power 2 pi I. E to the power 2 pi I. Okay. H into x value. H into x 0 plus k into 0 plus L into 0. L into how much? 0. Okay. Now we can separate this value. Then H into 0, k into 0, N into L into 0. All are zeros. Okay. And capital F is equal to no need to take summation because here is only one atoms. Okay. Here summation can be replaced. No need to take this one. Then e to the power 2 pi I into 0. 2 pi into 0 means e to the power 2 pi I into 0 means e to the power 0 means f into e to the power 0 means how much? F is equal to how much? F. Once you getting the f value, geometrical structure factor f, then we can find out the intensity. Okay. Intensity is equal to I is equal to mod f square. Okay, here we getting the f value. Then intensity I is equal to f square for simple cubic. Okay. Now which plane are allowed? Which plane is present in simple cubic? Check it. We can take suppose 0, 0, 0 plane or 1, 0, 0. Means this one be HKL value. HKL value. What is the importance of capital F? Capital F is not equal to 0. Means this plane is present. Okay. Or we can incident some light. This must be reflected. This F is equal to 0. This cannot reflect. Means this plane is not present in this case. Means here what is the important? We can finding this plane is present or absent. Okay. Now we can choose the HKL value is equal to 1, 0, 0. Then again this part is not getting the 0. Means this plane is present. No problem. Next. We can choose the 1, 1, 0. Shift to here 1, 1, 0 value. In this case, again, this is not equal to getting 0. Means 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 also present plane. Next, 1, 1, 1. No, not equal to 0. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 2. And so on. Means for simple cubic, we can place any value of HKL. This part is not equal to 0. Why this is not equal to 0? Because H into whatever we can take any value. 0 into something, zeros. Something 0. And e to the power 0 become 1. Means capital F is not equal to 0 for F for simple cubic. We can place HKL any value. All planes are present. We can choose any value of HKL. F is not equal to 0. Means all value are allowed. All value of HKL are allowed. Okay. HKL are allowed. Got it? Simple cubic. All value of HKL plane are present. Next, we can choose the BCC structure. Effective number of atoms. BCC structure, effective number of atoms. Yes. One at a corner and one at a center. All atoms 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 7, 8 corners. N effective is equal to 1 by 8 into 8. 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 at a center is equal to how much? Total number of atoms is equal to 2. Then coordinates. For corner atom. corner atom 0, 0, 0, and center atom 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Yes or no? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. Always memorize capital F is equal to 0 means this plane is not present. This is not equal to 0. This plane is present. Okay. Now F is equal to small f. Here is a 2 means addition of this one means e to the power 2 pi I into h into 0 plus k into 0 L into 0. Okay, first one. Second one, e to the power 2 pi I h into 1 by 2 plus k into 1 by 2 plus L into 1 by 2. Got it? Write down the both value of this one. Now, capital F is equal to S small f e to the power something into 0 means here is a plus 1. Okay, and here we can take the 2 is common out, then this become e to the power pi I h plus k plus L, h plus k plus L. Okay, h plus k plus L. Suppose we can take the, here is a 1 0 0. Suppose we can take the HKL plane value, HKL is equal to suppose 1 0 0, 1 0 0. Then F is equal to, capital F is equal to small f 1 plus 1 0 0. This part is 0. Here is a e to the power I pi, and we know that e to the power I pi is nothing but 1 minus 1. Yes or no? E to the power I pi, cos pi plus I sin pi, 0, cos pi minus 1, plus 1 minus 1, 0, plus 1 minus 1, 0. Means capital F is equal to 0, means this plane is absent. This plane is absent. Which plane is absent? This plane means 1 0 0 plane is absent. This plane is absent. Which plane? Means we can incident light on 1 0 0 plane. Reflection is not possible. Got it? Next, we can choose the 1 1 0. 1 1 0. 1 1 0. Then capital F is equal to, yes, small f 1 plus e to the power I pi 1 plus 1 plus 0. Okay, means here we are getting 2 pi f e to the power f 1 plus e to the power, here is the 1 plus 1 2 I pi, 2 I pi is equal to how much? Plus 1. Means this is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 1 2 means f is equal to how much? F is equal to 2f. F is equal to 2f. Then what is the intensity? I is equal to mod f square is equal to how much? 4f square for this case. Means here is a 110 is allowed. 110 is allowed. 100 is not allowed in BCC case. Next, 111. 111. Then f is equal to, yes, f 1 plus e to the power. Here 111 means this become 3 I pi. 3 I pi plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1. How much? 0. Means 111 is not allowed. Next, 112. 112. F is equal to small f 1 plus 2 plus 1. 4 e to the power 4 I pi. 4 I pi become plus 1. Means f 1 plus 1 means 2. 1 plus 1 2 means intensity I is equal to 4f square. 4f square. Means see here we can choose the 100. Capital F is equal to 0. No plane is present. We can take the 110. F is not equal to 0. 111 0. 112 non-zero. Next we can take the 113. We getting addition is 5. Odd 0. Got it? We can take the 6. 1 2 2. Sorry. 1 1 2 1 1 3 0. 1 2 3 6. Addition is 6. E1. This is not equal to 0. Means here we can take the addition of this is equal to E1. Addition of this is equal to how much? E1. Then this exponential part not getting the minus. This part is not getting the minus. 1 minus 1 0. 1 plus 1 non-zero. Got it? Hence we need to here getting plus value, not minus value. If we are getting the minus value, then this will be cancelled and f is equal to getting 0. Got it? Means here which plane are present in this case? We can take the addition of h plus k plus L is equal to getting even number. Is getting even number. Plane is present. Plane is present. Okay. HKL even, plane is present. We can take the HKL is equal to odd, plane is absent. Okay, got it? Means here is HKL, even, H plus K plus L is equal to even value are allowed. Even value are allowed. Okay, even value are allowed. Or plane is present for even. Simple cubic, no any restriction. Simple cubic, no any restriction for HKL value. For a BCC, H plus K plus L must be even. Then and then only structure factor is present. Got it? Second one, this is for BCC. And now we can study the third one, FCC. Okay, FCC, come to the point. FCC, n effective is just 4. N effective is a 4. Okay, this one is item. One atom corner, second face, 1, 2, 3. Okay, means there is how many faces? 6 faces. Means n effective is equal to 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 into how many faces? 6 faces. Means there is a 1 plus 3 is equal to how much? 4. Means this face atom contribution inside the cube is equal to 1 by 2. And this corner atom contribution is 1 by 8. Okay. Means here n effective atom is 2. N effective atom is 2. So atom into corner, what is the coordinates? Coordinates. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Yes, sir. Corner atom. And on face atom, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 0. Next. 1 by 2. 0. 1 by 2. And the next one. 0. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 0. 1 by 2. Okay. This is the coordinates for this case. No repetition will be take place. Now. What is the F? Capital F is equal to small f into here 0, 0 means 1. 0, 0 means 1. And here it is getting e to the power 2 I pi, yes, h plus k upon 2 plus e to the power 2 I pi k plus l upon 2 plus e to the power 2 pi I l plus k upon 2. Okay. Now next, these two to get cancel. Okay, these two to get cancel. Means f is equal to f 1 plus e to the power 2 to get cancel. Means e to the power I pi h plus k plus e to the power I pi k plus l plus e to the power I pi l plus h. Okay. Now our aim to this f is not equal to getting 0. This f is not equal to getting 0. Suppose this is getting 0, no use at all because no reflection will take place. We cannot study the atom. Okay. Means our aim to this part does not become 0. Means whichever value of HKL, this part is not equal to getting 0. Check it. Suppose we can take the 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. E to the power I pi. E to the power I pi minus 1. F 1 plus e to the power I pi minus 1. Minus 1. Next. Plus. Next. HK. This will 0. E to the power 0 plus 1. Next. 0, 1. Minus 1. Plus minus 1. Here is a 2 plus minus get cancel. Means f is equal to how much? 0. F is equal to 0. Okay. Means here this plane is not present. Here reflection is not possible. Next 1, 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. F is equal to small f 1 plus e to the power 1 plus 1 2 pi I. Next 1 plus 0 e to the power e to the power I pi. Next e to the power I pi. Okay. For this case e to the power 2 pi I getting plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. How much? Net 0. Means 1, 1, 0 plane is not present. 1, 1, 0 is not present. Okay. 1, 0, 0 also not allowed. 1, 0, 0 also not allowed. Why? Because this is equal to getting 0. Next 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Then f is equal to f e to the power 1 plus e to the power 1 1 1 3i pi plus e to the power 3i pi, sorry, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2 pi 2 pi I plus e to the power 2i pi. Means in all cases we're getting 2 pi pi. Okay, means here is a 1 plus 1 plus 1. Means f is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Yes or no? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Means total, this is equal to how much? This is equal to the 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to how much? 4 times f. 4 times f. Got it? Next, we can take the suppose we can take the 2 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, then f is equal to f 1 plus e to the power 4i pi plus e to the power 4i pi plus e to the power 4i pi. Means this again not equal to 0. This is again not equal to 0. We are getting 4. Got it? Means here, see here 1 is odd, 0, even, 0, even odd. Here mixed values. Yes or mixed value f 0, mixed value f 0. Here all are odds, non-zero. Here all are evens, non-zero. Got it? Means for FCC structure, for FCC, mixed value are not allowed. Mixed value are not allowed. Mixed value are not allowed. Got it? Mixed value are not allowed. Means here we can take all our values, FCC plane are present. We can take all our evens, FCC plane are allowed. But we can take some even and some odd. Structure factor is equal to how much? 0. For this case, which option is correct? F is equal to, yes, always memorize. For simple cubic, all HKL value are allowed. All HKL value are allowed. BCC, all are even or all are sorry. Total addition is equal to even. Total addition H plus K plus L is equal to even. Then BCC are present. Okay, BCC plane present. Okay, and for FCC case, all are even or all are odd. This is not equal to 0, or structure factor is not equal to 0. Plane is present. Okay, means for suppose we can find the 1 1 1. What is the capital F? Capital F is equal to 4f. We can take the 2 2 2. This plane also present. Then capital F is equal to how much? We are getting 4f. Means in this case, which of the following option is correct? Option number 4 is correct for this question. Next question, 2016. The second neighbor distance in a simple cubic system having lattice constant A. What is the second nearest neighbor distance in simple cubic system having lattice constant A? Yes, got it. What is the value of this one? And second question, metallic nickel crystalline in FCC type structure with the lattice constant A. The interplanar distance between the neighboring plane 2 to 0 in this material is. See here. Okay. First one, solve this one. This one is a simple cubic structure. Okay. Simple cubic. जनरली ऐसे प्रॉब्लम क्यों नहीं सॉल्व होते? क्योंकि हम थिंकिंग बहुत हायर करते हैं, इसमें थिंकिंग बहुत ज्यादा करते हैं, इसलिए उसके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर नहीं आते। और जब हम घर आके बुक्स में देखते हैं, यार इतना सिंपल था वो, जब तक आप ढूंढेंगे नहीं आंसर तब तक पता नहीं चलेगा ये कितना सिंपल क्वेश्चन है। आगे समझ, यहाँ प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड चलना है, दैट्स इट, और इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है। सिंपल, आपको सिंपल क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर तो पता ही होता है, ठीक है। इसमें क्या बोला है, बस सेकंड नियरेस्ट नेबर। अरे देखो पहला कौन सा क्लोज है, दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट, नेक्स्ट इसके बाद कौन आ सकता है, दिस वन इज द सेकंड। ओके, सपोज हम यहां से चलते चलते गए तो पहला नंबर किसका आ सकता है, कौन सा एटम का आ सकता है। देखिए सबसे क्लोज तो ये भी आ सकता है, ये भी आ सकता है, मतलब दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट नियरेस्ट नेबर। ओके, What is the value of this one? A. Yes or no? Means for this case, first nearest neighbor. First nearest neighbor distance. How much? First nearest neighbor distance is equal to how much? A. Okay. But they ask what is the second nearest neighbors. Okay. First one is this one. What is the second nearest? अब यहाँ भी जाएंगे तो ये डिस्टेंस रहेगा, इस साइड भी जाएगा तो ये डिस्टेंस रहेगा, नीचे गए तो भी ये डिस्टेंस रहेगा. ठीक है. और हम यहाँ जा सकते हैं. Okay, what is distance? See here, this one is one atom. We can take this portion. Okay, means this one is the second nearest. This one is the second nearest. आप यहाँ गए this side, this to this point, then this become a third nearest neighbor. Got it? Second nearest neighbor. This distance A, this distance A. This one is a root 2A. Got it? This is equal to A. This is equal to A. Then what is the value of this one? Root 2A. Yes or no? A square plus A square. Pythagoras hypotenuse. Which of the following option is correct? Root 2A. That's it. So, what is the interplanar distance? Interplanar distance formula. Interplanar distance D is equal to, yes, this is equal to how much? 1 upon under root h square upon a square plus k square upon b square plus c square upon L square upon C square, L square upon C square. Okay. But they are given by the technical custom FCC structure. FCC structure belong to the simple cubic. Okay, FCC simple cubic. Yes or no? In a simple cubic, we know that A is equal to B is equal to C. A is equal to B is equal to C. Then D become A upon under root H square plus K square plus L square. Yes or no? What is the value of HKL? They are given 2 to 0. Then this is equal to how much? A upon under root 2 square plus 0. Yes or no? 2 square plus 2 square is equal plus 0. Means this interplanar distance D is equal to A upon root 8. Root 8 can be written as 4 into 2. 4 into 2. 4 root 2. Means what is the interplanar distance? This is equal to A upon 2 root 2. This is also very simple. But at that time we getting the formula for this one. Then we getting the answer. No problem. उस टाइम आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि इंटरप्लेनर डिस्टेंस दी फॉर्मूला इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट h स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर प्लस k स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर प्लस l स्क्वायर अपॉन c स्क्वायर. Just a substitute. They are given plain value also. Means a b hk value also given, and we know that a is directly in answer. No need to put substitute any value for this case. Getting answer is equal to a for this question.